Ever wondered how this, a simple potato, turns into the crispiest chip you've ever tasted? Wait till you see what happens next.
Great haul, keep it up.
Will do. See you at the factory.
Check the throughput on line 4.
Looks stable, but watch the temperature variance.
Keep an eye on the green ones coming through. Got it. The line seems clear for now.
The temperature on line 3 is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the steam pressure now.
The flow rate on the left needs adjustment.
Confirmed. Increasing the speed now.
Check the viscosity on line 3.
Levels are stable, moving to station 4.
Taste the crunch.
These salt and vinegar ones are the best batch yet.
I told you, they finally got the seasoning right.
Yeah, I might need another bag.
Keep coming back slowly. Watch the side. Okay, bring that pallet over here now. We need to clear the dock. Keep it coming straight. Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, hold it right there. We're clear.
Clear.
Reroute Unit 7 to Aisle 4.
Confirmed. Pickup at Station 2.
Move that pallet to aisle 4. We have another truck coming in bay 3.
Understood. Heading there now.
Here, try this one. Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's really good. The kids are going crazy for them.
I think he ate most of the salt and vinegar ones.
Guilty as charged, they were the best.
Easy now, just a little further back. Got it. Where's the next one going?
Try these, they're perfect.
These are the best chips ever.
Can I have some more?
I'm telling you, this new workflow saves so much time.
It really does. I actually left early yesterday.
Good for you. Pass me another one of those.
We're almost done with this aisle. Good, I'll take the empty box.
So I told him, you can't wear that hat here.
Oh no, what did he say back?
He said, this isn't a hat, it's a lampshade. Do you want the red bag or the yellow bag?
The yellow ones look good. Let's get these. Try this flavor, it's amazing.
Oh wow, that smells incredible. Pass it over here. Did you bring the spicy ones too?